And kind is a tool that will locally install Kubernetes cluster using Docker containers. So you would require Docker on your local machine, and you can check out this link here to set it up. And then you will also require kubectl to manage your kind Kubernetes cluster. So check this link to set up kubectl on Windows machine. Right, now let's set up kind. So to install kind, all you have to do is copy this command and paste it in your PowerShell. Make sure, if you want to change the directory, yeah, you're free to change. This will download your kind at this location. So make sure you create this directory before you run it. Now, here is the important part. So once you are done with that, you have to go into this advanced system settings, and then environmental settings. Under path, you should add this directory here. Make sure you do it. Right, so these are the some prerequisites that are required for us to set up our Kubernetes cluster. Now let's get into the actual steps, the actual procedure of setting up your Kubernetes cluster. Right, so this is the kind configuration that I'm using to create the cluster. I'm setting up a single node control plane and a multi-node worker. So this is my kind.yaml. So I'm basically using this configuration to set up my kind cluster. Right, it's going to take a lot of time. I think it takes around 5 minutes. So I'll stop the video here, and then I'll get back to you once this cluster is up and running. Looks like our cluster is up and running. Before that, what I usually do is just have the aliases in place, just to make sure, save our time. So kubectl get kgp, kubectl get pods. So yeah, so we have our Kubernetes cluster up and running, and we don't have anything in our default namespace, so you can't see anything here. All right, so let's set up ArgoCD here. Let me just create the namespace here, and then we can install ArgoCD using this step. So these two steps are taken from the official documentation. So it takes, again, this setup, ArgoCD setup, also takes a lot of time. So I'll pause the video until everything is up and running. Right, looks like our ArgoCD is up and running. Let's get kubectl get services -n ArgoCD. So this is the service that we are trying to get, this kubectl on ArgoCD namespace. Why is that? Oh, it's server. I'm sorry, guys. Right, so let's go to localhost port 8080, advanced, proceed, and there you go. You have our ArgoCD up and running. Okay, I think we should get the passwords here. Where is the password? kubectl get secrets -n ArgoCD. So my initial admin secret is here, and then right, this is my secret. So this is actually not my secret, so let me just copy it. Echo. So this is my password. So sign in. There you go. So we have ArgoCD up and running on top of our Kubernetes cluster. That's my time for today. I'll see you next time.